Hello everybody, welcome back to Rehab with Rogan. Today we're going to chat a little bit about push-ups and push-up technique and give you a few tips on how to improve them and get your push-ups done more safely and to get the most out of them. So push-ups are such a great exercise to do because you can do them anywhere, anytime. You can do them in a variety of variations to target different muscle groups. However, there are probably three main issues we pick up when people do these push-ups. The first one being hip position. So people tend to hollow their hips forward and arch their back out, causing this major dip in their spine or this major anterior tilt. The second one is they either flare their elbows out while doing their push-ups and then they overuse their upper traps and levator scap. The third one is tend to poke the neck forward like a turtle, putting a lot of strain into their extensors. So I'm going to show you how to get into a good form and set yourself up posturally for your push-up. Okay, so firstly, because push-ups are a full body exercise, we want you to use your full body, not just your arms and not just your chest. So starting off, we want you to engage your quads while doing your push-up. We want you to get into neutral hip. I even sometimes like to tell people to squeeze their glutes and get into a little bit of a posterior tilt. And I want you to then have your shoulders back and your elbows tucked in and your neck tucked in into a chin tuck. So that is the posture we want you into your good full push-up position. So now to look at this in the push-up position on the ground, we want you to have a nice straight line. So we want you to have your quads locked, your glutes tight, your shoulders back, your lats engaged. That's a great push-up position and that's how you want to start. We don't want hips tilted, elbows flaring, neck poking forward. That's a massive no-no. So this posture applies whether you're doing a full body push-up or a ladies push-up variation. So we don't want hollow back, elbows flaring, chin poked forward through your push-up position. We want glutes tight, core tight, elbows in, neck neutral into your position. So whether you're doing your ladies push-up or your men's push-up, this is what we want you to look at. Glutes tight, core tight, shoulders tight, lats engaged, chin tucked in. So in the ladies push-up variation, glutes tight, core tight, lats active, chin in, dropping through to the floor, pushing back up into your push-up. Men's variation, glutes tight, core tight, lats active, chin tuck, through to your push-up and back up. Keeping everything nice and tight. So there you have it, some quick easy tips to fix your push-up and to improve it. Remember, push-ups are a full body exercise. Quads, core, lats, glutes, chest, not just your guns and your chest. If you have any troubles or have any issues with doing these push-ups or trying to improve your push-ups, drop us a message in the comments section. We can get back to you and give you some help. If you like this video and you want to see other videos like it to help with lifestyle changes and healthy tips, please hit the subscribe button. Remember to hit the little bell as well so that you get a notification as soon as we release something. Thanks again for watching Rehab with Rogan. We'll see you next time.